Welcome to This Bytes for You. My name is Ziggy. In this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We've never done this before. We've been given the amazing opportunity for this. There's no name aside from Brook, the company that makes it. This is a prototype device, a prototype Pokemon Go auto catch device. Now, the awesome thing, this is probably going to be named the Reviver 2, though we're not sure. Now, the amazing thing on this is not only we get to test a device that no one's ever seen before, but we get the amazing opportunity to not only see it, but to vote as a community on what we'd like to see in this. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this device looks like now. It may change a little bit. And unfortunately, because they did not include the charging cable, I've already contacted them on this. I'm not able to show you the features and how to use it, but that's going to come soon. But anyway, we're giving you the opportunity to decide what comes in here and maybe what's not included. But anyway, come over here real quick. Let's check out what's inside. All right, so again, here she is, the Brook prototype. We think this is going to be called the Reviver 2. The Reviver's been pretty awesome, but this is the Reviver 2, again, just the way you want it. So let's go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened it up yet, saving it for you guys and for myself. I'm gonna put this aside just for right now. Ooh, this is pretty cool. All right, so if you don't like what looks like to be a black band on here, looks like they give you in the box in this as well, different colors and styles. So if you like the green, just pop it in here, and it is adjustable. So put it just the way you want. That's kind of nice. I don't mind the green either. Cool. All right, so I'm just putting that aside for now. Then they give you a white one. It's kind of a rainbow pattern there. Same thing, just unbuckle it. It's got some Velcro there. Open it up. Slide it on your wrist. Put it on, there you go. So now the part you guys want to see, because I want to see it too. So this, okay. So this is with the Swarovski crystal. I think that is one of the options they let you choose on. I think it's kind of nice looking. The other option, I believe, is an indented one, like the original Reviver 2 had. All right, and then it's not black, but it's kind of a dark gray metal band here. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so, and then this one has a material rather than rubber. I thought it was rubber out of the box, and kind of like a watch. Yeah, look at that, cool. Mind you, I think I'd probably use one of the other ones, but this is kind of nice looking. So just undo it. Put it along like a watch. I'm gonna skip that for now. So while I did review the original Reviver from Brook, and I have all these different chargers and auto catching devices, unfortunately, I can't find the one for the Reviver. So I can't show you just how it works, but I've already contacted them, so they should be sending me one very soon. But let me focus in a little bit more on the looks of it real quick. So, and I'll go ahead and link up above the Reviver. You could see it does look very similar. And then with that Swarovski crystal, which I like, but I don't know. You can see how shiny it is. Makes it extra nice and beautiful, but Anyway, you could see the kind of emerald kind of pattern it has. Looks really nice. I do like the fact that this is kind of feels like a gunmetal black kind of finish, and then with that material right over here rather than rubber, it feels nice. And I like the way that they've changed the way that that clicks in, because you can see that I didn't press anything. It just clicked in. To take it out, just hold that down and it comes right out. Let me find a flathead screwdriver real quick so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so just so you can see it a little bit better. So you see, I just hold that right here, push it down. You can see that the way that spring goes, oops, that spring goes down and that just kind of falls out. Whoops, hold on. All right, so now you see how to take it out of here. Very little force. You can literally do it with your fingernail. And again, I just think this looks really sexy. But then again, if you don't like that, that's okay. This is one of the potential ones that they're going to include with a nice kind of rubber band there, wrist strap type thing. This could be another one that they've included or will include. These are rubberized, at least this part right over here. Same with this one. This one is not, this is a metal or aluminum or steel, not quite sure, but we will get a lot more information. Again, the charger I have, or all the chargers I have, won't work on this. Now, what I did find, and I don't want to do it with the charge that it has on here because I'm afraid that it's gonna die while I'm doing this video, is if you press it, just put a little pressure on it. There we go. Now you can see that on the screen. Unfortunately, I can't see the battery level. So I am going to make another video once I get that band. Again, I don't want to record this and it die halfway, but if you guys want to get your input on this, you want to be able to design the next Reviver 2 or whatever it may be called, go ahead and check in the description down below. Click on that link and it'll take you exactly where you need to go so you can vote on exactly what kind of features you'd like to see on this. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you it working because I don't have the charger and I don't want it to die midway, but click on that link down below. You know, go ahead, put in there, you know, your features, what you like, what you dislike. They're also going to ask you on pricing. Just remember, if it's way too cheap, they can't put a lot in here. Pricing is going to reflect just what they can put on in here. But I don't know what kind of pricing is going to be there. But anyway, go ahead, click like and subscribe. It'll help me out a ton. That way I can get more exclusivities just like this so that you guys can actually chime in on what you want to see on these things. And please, for me, go ahead, comment down below just what you put in the link that Brook provided. Let me know what you voted for, or maybe some options that you would like to see on here. So while I can't show you right now how it works, I'm gonna post up here on the side a video on how the Reviver works so you guys can check it out. And right below that, another video so you can check out how the Brook Meteor works as well, so that you guys have a little idea of all the features and functions you can expect in this guy. But remember, you can vote for what you want as well, not just the hardware, but in the software as well. All right, guys, this is your friend Iggy. Thanks again for coming back to This Bytes For You. Hope to see you soon. Iggy out. See you guys.